So owning a full Bitcoin in 2025 is like incredibly rare. It's estimated at less than 0.02% of the global population, right?
Yep. Yeah, that's wild. I mean, out of billions of people, only about 800,000 to 850,000 unique wallets actually hold one BTC, right?
Exactly. And that's even before you factor in that many wallets are run by institutions or exchanges. So it's um, like owning an exclusive club membership.
Mm-hmm. And it's not just about the numbers, is it? There's also the issue of how pricey Bitcoin is these days. Over $120,000 a pop, which is out of reach for most people.
Absolutely. It's kind of like being a millionaire versus just, well, admiring wealth from afar. With only 0.18% of crypto owners holding a full coin, it's a mark of serious, high level commitment.
Right. But here's a thought. Isn't it kind of a double-edged sword? I mean, while owning a full coin is rare and exclusive, the volatility, dropping 20 to 30% at times, adds a huge risk factor.
Yeah, that's a fair point. Bitcoin's price swings can really rattle people who aren't used to volatility. Like, one minute you're feeling like you've joined an elite club, and the next you're wondering if it's just a high risk gamble.
Exactly. And then there's the whole concentration of supply issue. I heard that about 1.86% of addresses control 90% of all Bitcoin. That's like extreme centralization in a decentralized world, no?
Yeah, it's strange, right? The top 100 addresses, holding over 58% of the supply, really shows that most Bitcoin is concentrated among um, a few big players, exchanges, early adopters, institutions.
Mm-hmm. It almost makes you wonder if tackling that concentration is even possible in a system meant to be open to everyone.
True. And then you mix in the fact that only 21 million BTC will ever exist, with a massive chunk already mined, and lost coins on top of that, the available pool
Right.
shrinks even further.
That scarcity factor is a huge driver, but it also explains why the barriers to entry are so high, not just in terms of money, but access too. I mean, roughly 1.4 billion adults are still unbanked.
Exactly. And even where infrastructure exists, transaction fees, KYC restrictions, and high risk volatility make Bitcoin um, feel almost like an unreachable dream for many people.
Mm-hmm, totally. Now, on the flip side, there are strategies to get there, right? Dollar cost averaging, yield generating programs, and recently, even spot Bitcoin ETFs from big names like BlackRock offering new doors to investors.
Yes, those avenues, while not without risk, do help gradually build up toward owning a full coin. It's like taking baby steps into an elite arena, one step at a time, even if you're not rushing to become a Bitcoin mogul overnight.
Exactly. But here's something I find interesting. Some top investors have called Bitcoin a bubble. With figures like Warren Buffett and Nobel laureate Robert Shiller openly criticizing it, isn't it a bit contradictory that we have both such extreme enthusiasm and such harsh criticism?
You got it. It's like having this masterpiece that everyone admires for its rarity, and yet some critics see it as nothing more than, you know, speculation with major swings. It really splits the
Hmm.
room.
So, owning one Bitcoin in 2025 isn't just about the asset, it's a symbol, an elite marker that says you're part of a very select club, even though the ride can be pretty bumpy.
Right? And it shifts the debate from how much do you need to be rich to what does it say if you've actually reached that milestone? It's a whole new level of exclusivity in the crypto
Definitely.
space.
Well, even with the risks, it certainly makes the journey to full Bitcoin ownership an intriguing one to watch.
Absolutely. Whether you're inching your way in via small investments or already sitting in the big leagues, Bitcoin's story remains um, as much about rarity and risk as it is about innovation.
Right on.